How's it going? So, look, you're working with a useRef hook, right? useRef in here. So in the beginning, it's undefined, but you want to set the color of the child to be red, which is in here. You're using your forwardRef, but you're gonna get an error saying that cannot read properties of undefined. This is happening because there's no the time to set this to this has not yet passed, so it has to re-render before this element here becomes the h1. Okay, but this runs almost immediately. So how do you fix it? So you need to create an if condition. So if is true, so it's not null, because when it starts it's either null or undefined, whatever you want to do it. Only then run this code, then it's going to be fixed. You see? So now you can run as many times as you want, because you see what happens is current is undefined, code skips, re-render happens, ref is now assigned to h1. Now it can set the color, because in the beginning it cannot set the color of undefined because there's nothing to set the color to. Now I also found this solution, I'm gonna link it in the description below. It's a bit of a crank. I call solutions like this a crank because they can potentially run into infinity. Because if you wrote the code somewhere incorrectly, it will run until the ref is actually set. So it's kind of like a crank. Do you know in cars you have this cars crank? Yeah, so you see it's kind of like this. So you're trying to like spin the ignite engine until it starts. So this is like a crank basically. So I'll link it in the description below. It's up to you, you can kind of check it out. But essentially what happens in here is they are looking to see if the ref is set. If it's not set, it reruns. And I don't know, it's up to you. You can use this one, but I think it's a lot simpler just to create an if condition. But you'll be like, but Dimitri, he is on Medium. One second. Look, he is on medium.com and he is an author, so he's smarter than you. Well, to which I'm going to reply, creating an account on Medium is for free, and it's just a blogging platform. So if the dude is on Medium, it doesn't mean that he is 20 million IQ developer. He could be a beginner. Because there is no fee for posting on this. It's basically like a Quora or whatever, the YouTube comment section, you know, so it's the same shiza. But anyway, what I'm saying is you need to give this thing time to set itself to this element before you try to manipulate the element, okay? So just create an if condition. If current is true, only then run the code. And that's about it. Okay? Take care, bye-bye.